The strcpy function C copies a string to a destination. Strcpy is in the string.h header file, so we will hash include string.h. We'll also want to print our answer out, so we will also hash include stdio.h. Let's give ourselves a destination string that can hold 100 characters. So, char dest array of 100. Let's give ourselves the source string hello that can hold 6 characters. So, char source array of 6 equals world. Next, we will strcpy source to dest. So, strcpy dest, comma, source. Next, let's print dest. So, printf, double quotes, %s \n, then printf dest. If we run the code, you'll see world printed out, which means source was copied to dest. The strcat function in C joins 2 strings together. Strcat is in the string.h header file, so we will hash include string.h. We will also want to print our answer out, so we will also hash include stdio.h. Let's give ourselves a destination string hello space that can hold 15 characters. So, char dest array of 15 equals hello. Let's give ourselves a source string world that can hold 15 characters. So, char source array of 15 equals world. Next, we will strcat source to dest. So, strcat dest, comma, source. Next, let's print dest. So, printf, double quotes, %s \n, then printf dest. If we run the code, you'll see the entire string hello space world printed out, which means source was joined to the end of dest. This has been Jacubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.